Hello, so in this video, I want to show you how you can actually compress your image file size and then render it as WebP. Now, WebP allows your images to render well on the web and manages how your website loads on the server. So it's not heavy. It compresses the image, retaining the quality, and then makes your website load faster. So this is WordPress, right? This is WordPress. So rather than installing so much plugins, I wouldn't want to even dive into that. So what I need to do is go to this site called Squash, SQUOOS.app. All right, .aap. Click enter. It's like this. Okay, basically what you want to do is to import your files in. You can copy and paste it in here. However, you need to do it individually, and that's one thing I fought this app with. All right, it does not allow me to compress 20 images at a go. To me, it's really something that they need to work on. Though you can only do one images per time. So I'm going to open an image. Let me get an image that is file size is probably large a bit. So I'm going to look for an image and then import it in here. I'm looking for a very large file. All right, awesome. So you can see this 1.37 megabytes. 1.37 megabytes. So I'm going to click and drag and then drop it in here. So this does all the magic for me. Okay, it does all the magic for me. And then at the bottom right hand corner, I'll say of this. If you want to resize it, you can tell inside the dimension you want to, but I usually do not like resizing in here. All right. So what I need to come to is this compress. All right. Already it has compressed this for you. This is what it has gained. All right. But I'll come instead of most JPEG, I'll click on this. You see several web file. But what I'm saying you need to convert it to is this WebP. This version is still unstable, but I think WebP does it for me. So if I click this, watch what happens in here from 81 to 89. Can you see from 81 to 89? All right, and then you can click on download. So when you click on download, it's no longer coming in as an image. All right, the format is more like it has been encoded, all right, into a probably HTML or something. And look at it right here. So it's not having that image. It's having Google Chrome, my default browser. So basically, that's how to do all of those things. So basically, this is how to do. This is how to compress it and then turn it into a web P. Like I said, there are plugins who can handle that, but don't install plugins into your website. You need to look for an alternative on how to solve some of these things. If you like this video, I need to subscribe to my channel as I will be showing you a whole lot of these tricks and what you can do for yourself and for your client. Thank you for watching.